All right, welcome back. So here I'm going to be presenting my Lexer project. This is my GitHub where I've kind of documented the process, how to deploy the Lexer, some bugs that I ran into, test plan, pretty much just going through the Lexer test.java, and then I'll have a link to this video. So let's go ahead and get started. This is actually the first time I'm running this on my Mac, so this will be new for all of us. Let me make this bigger. All right, so the first thing I'm going to want to do is go to my repo for my Lexer, my directory, and I'm just going to check what I have in here. So I haven't compiled this just yet, so I'm going to go ahead and compile it. I have to compile the token.java file as well because the Lexer.java file actually uses a token as an object. So I'm gonna run that, hopefully no problem. No problem. All right, and I'm also going to follow the instructions here. And what it says to do is pretty much use this cp source Lexer, and then we'll use a text file. Source Lexer, no need for the .java extension, and I'll do test.txt. Hey, look at that. It works. Okay, let me see, what other ones did we have? We had test.txt. We also had, let's see, test expecting a sign up. Test expecting a sign up. Hopefully no typos. .txt. Hey, is that the exact same test? I don't know why that happened. Interesting. I think I might have to recompile. Let's try it. Let's try recompiling. Okay, so do that. Let's do that. Oh, I know exactly why. It doesn't really matter what this file is. It's always going to be the file that oops. Why am I having trouble here? Oh, I'm already in this directory. Okay, let me check this out. I might as well also run this test. Now that I'm here, let me run this and show you that all the tests end up checking out. So yeah, this is good. I'm glad that all these ended up working out. This is what I expected, and everything's good. My difficulty in this project was figuring out kind of how do I make this bigger? How to. I'm just ruining my code now. Hold on. Uh-oh, I wouldn't break anything. View. I'm so sorry. This is so long. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what's going on. Okay, whatever. My difficulty here was always with. This is actually there. Let me see. How can I? Oh, I feel like this is the issue. Let me see that. Let's recompile. I'm still getting the same file. What? Why? What if I did? Let's see. Test white space. It doesn't matter. What if I just leave it blank? It doesn't matter. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. we are back. I ended up realizing that this was a fixed argument, and I was only actually I wasn't even reading the test.txt. I was reading in test white space. So if you see x32 equals operator, x32 equals operator 83, and so on. Okay, so I fixed it, but I have yet to test it, so I'll test this live right now. So again, I'm gonna compile this, recompile this with the new argument that's hopefully more flexible. And then I will call my Lexer, and hopefully this time this actually works. I did not enter a valid file name. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Oh, I see. That's interesting. Let me see. Let me make this. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Compile this again. You are getting a real-time debugging. There we go. All right. So now I can do anything. So let me make this a lot nicer. Oh. Okay. So now, wow, what in the world? There I am. Sorry, let me go back. Okay. Okay, I'm there. Okay, these are already compiled. These are all good. Sorry for this being so long-winded. So now let's go ahead. Let's try so we did test.txt, right? That works. Let's do, I don't know, test expecting a sign up.txt. Woo. Next one, test expecting ID2. Yeah, let's do ID2. Awesome. Yeah, is that the same thing? Test explain. Okay, now let's try ID2 or int. These are all very similar files. And now let's try test multiple pluses. And let us do test white space, even though we were doing that for a long time. Okay, so this ended up working out. And if you're just curious, here are the files. They all look kind of similar to one another. But yeah, these worked out. Again, like I said in my documentation, the difficulty I faced with this project had to do with this guy. Not this specific instance of it, but just this end of file token. So what I ended up doing to manage that was in my get all tokens method, I, while this is not done yet, I called, I guess I made this Boolean variable named done, which checked to see if the tokens were all collected. And while the tokens have not all been collected, while this is false or not true, sorry, not false, this would keep running, and I would keep getting every token I'd need using get next token. And finally, every time I would check and say, hey, is this next token, is this token that I just generated the end of file token? If it is, well, we're actually done collecting all of our tokens and we can return our list. But if it's not, let's keep collecting tokens until we have finally gotten this end of file token. So yeah, this ended up helping me not get more than one of these, and it also helped me not get 0 of them. So yeah, that is my project, and thank you for watching. Okay.